Okay, welcome to the channel, y'all. Rusty Timber. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, but we're working on a 2009 Nissan Titan today, and it's actually going to be the wheel hub, driver's side wheel hub, and I figured that out because basically my kid was driving it and he said, hey, it's squeaking and now the steering is a little jacked up. So make sure you guys go subscribe if you like these videos. It really helps me out, and give me a thumbs up on that video. And then you know, if you like this one, make sure you go check out the other ones. Appreciate y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, I did want to go over this real quick. So to get the brake caliper off, let's see, I used a 13/6, no, not a 13/16. What did I use? Oh, 18 millimeter. That's right. 18 millimeter wrench. Pop that brake caliper off. And then a pair of dikes to get the cotter key out of the nut, the wheel hub nut, which is like that. And then we've got a 1.25 inch socket for the wheel hub nut. And yeah, so remove this other cotter key over here. Little tappy tap. Little tappy tap. Use those dikes to get that cotter key out. That doesn't want to come out. Come on, baby. Might have to replace this one. It's basically a grab and pinch and roll it to get that cotter key out. Don't want to cut it off. I'd like to be able to reuse that. Let's see, that nut. I like this set, except for it doesn't stay on. 19 does not fit, so we're looking for a 21. No, that's always fun. How about a 22? Where's 22? Bingo, 22 works. So we're gonna zip that guy. Sometimes you want to go back and forth. Get that rust out of there. Bingo! Got it. It's stuck in there, but that's all right. We're going to be putting that back on. We're actually going to be putting that back on right now. Got it. So that was a 22 millimeter. Put that nut back on there. Pop that guy loose. I do have a pickle fork that I could have gotten, but I don't really want to go get it. Okay, that's loose. Now this guy's free. I don't really like the amount of weight that's on this guy, so we're gonna do something like this and tie that up a little bit better. I have used a not bungee cord, ratchet straps from time to time, also for the same thing, so that's good too. Okay, that's free. Now, what size do you think these guys are? 19. 19? That feels a little loose. How about 18? Yeah. So those bolts on the back side of the hub assembly are 18 millimeter. And we need a little extension. Okay. Impact gun. There's one. Oh my goodness gracious. That's why I should probably be using a ratchet strap to hold that guy up instead of a bungee, but I couldn't find a ratchet strap. So here we are. Here we are. I don't love the situation, but got that one. 2 out of 3. Let's give this last one a try, just for funsies, and then we'll go get a breaker bar. Okay, that's no go. We'll see. Breaker bar. If you don't have one, get one. There's always going to be a time when you need one. Okay. Let's see. I'd rather not use the extension. When you use an extension on it, on the breaker, it's a lot extra flex there. So all we're trying to do is break it loose so the impact gun can have a chance. My impact gun. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh. Hey, we're still okay. It's not pulling on the brake line yet. I should really do something better with that. Don't you think? I know. I'm going to get some comments about that. Allen wrench. Okay. I need an Allen wrench. Let's go get an Allen wrench. Tell you what, I'll take you guys along. Let's go get an Allen wrench. In the work trailer, you probably can't hear. Let me turn that compressor off for a hot second. If I can find the switch. That was not the switch. That was the pressure release valve. Let's put that back. Where's the switch? I found the switch. That was so loud. Okay, Allen wrench. This is where, I don't know if you guys can see it. So I've got basically all my 1/2-inch drive stuff on this shelf here. A couple impacts, all the things. But down here on this green one, nope, not that drawer. Not that drawer either. Oh, there we go. Allen wrenches. Let's see. It's probably a metric Allen wrench. That's it right there. Okay, let's go back out there and see. So I have a work trailer. You guys have seen it before, but I set that thing up. It's an 18-foot enclosed trailer that I set up with all my tools. I don't know, when was that? Like 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And reason being is because I was starting a little handyman company and I needed all my stuff with me, for one, but it also has worked out so well to have that set up, because I can just take it all over the property or to somebody else's house when they need something, or I'm just gonna leave that right on the Allen wrench. No sense in taking that off. Stinking sensors. Why does everything have to have a sensor nowadays? Actually, it's not even nowadays. It's 2009. Ow. I'm gonna need a screwdriver. I'll be right back. So if you guys can't tell, which you probably can't, it's like, I don't even know. I think it's like 20 degrees right now. And so it's freezing. And that's what part of why I'm working so fast, but also I can't feel my fingertips. And that's why I'm wearing gloves, or trying to wear gloves. Okay, got that guy out. Okay, we'll make sure and clean that up a little bit before we put it back. These gloves help out a lot. I started wearing these gloves back when I was in high-rise construction. They don't work too good for swinging a hammer or anything, but for a lot of just the manual labor, they work really good. So we're gonna just give it a little tappy tap. We're trying to just pop it. Okay, I gotta fix that the right way. I'll be right back with a strap. I saw the strap when I went in the trailer to get the tools. So let's hook this guy up. Oh yeah, man, that thing is rusty. Rusties. Love me some cars. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Nice and dry. No bueno. It's no bueno. Okay, there's the hub assembly. Oh yeah, you can feel it. Oh yeah. I feel it. Okay, we kind of messed this up, but not too bad. Actually, it's gonna be just fine. Okay, that went on there like that. This guy, how's that guy look? Yeah, let me show you. So I'm gonna clean the I don't know what you would call that, the race, I guess. And then I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and put the new hub assembly together. And we'll be back up and running. Okay, we're back. So went and got the new wheel hub. Brand new, ready to go. I had a question for y'all. Do you prefer, what auto parts store do you prefer? I go to Shucks O'Reilly here a lot because it's close. I like them, they're good. When I was a kid, growing up building Jeeps, I went to Napa pretty much all the time because I knew them, they were family owned, and they just had great parts. And they still do have great parts, but it's a long way away. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are these the best auto parts store? Okay, well, I might have lost some audio there. But anyway, we're working on the clip. Getting the clip put back. Getting the old one out. Trying to figure out how this plug comes apart. And yeah, I don't know how it comes apart. These clips drive me crazy, man. Seriously. You just never know, like, how they're supposed to come apart. I don't think that was supposed to do that. So you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use the old clip. Okay, well, I couldn't get the plug, so I had my son come over here and do it, and all he did was pull it apart. And we're all done. Let's give the wheel a little bit of a much tighter. Very good. We're gonna sit it down, take it for a test drive.